On my head is my heart rate. How does it detect it on my head? Using the webcam. No sensors. Well, so if I don't move, currently it should be 71. Well, my smartwatch is also fluctuating quite a bit. 74. We'll say 70 something. Between 72 to 74. So if I don't move, it might actually do a good reading, because I have enough light, some natural light. Natural light helps. There's a question if we came up with it all by ourselves. No, there's a TED Talk YouTube video from like 15 years ago about this. It's to do with camera like amplification. So it's essentially amplifying, in this case it's amplifying the green channel changes, because when your blood pulsing through your face, you could actually see it. But they're also talking about, and this is something we might do as well. Well, currently we're doing a facial expression detection, again using webcam. We're gonna be, apparently there's a pre-trained face-api JavaScript pre-trained model. But the other thing, you can do like a respiration rate by looking at the so essentially minor movement in the camera footage. Again, if you're not moving, in this case I also should not be moving, then it can actually detect the slight changes in color of my face. But also if you're not moving, it could also detect the respiration rate by looking at your chest. But again, if you're like sleeping or something, nothing else is moving, light is not changing, the camera is good, you hold your tongue on the right angle. And we're doing all this live, all the development is happening live on YouTube. If something is working, even if it doesn't work, it then goes onto our website, bionichaos.com. Single C. It should work. We can do it. We can do it. Start detection. We can do it. This is, yeah, so Perplexity is hopeless. I don't know what model it's actually using. It's hopeless. Anyway, we'll get rid of it. We'll get rid of Perplexity code. We have a much longer code generated by Gemini 2.5 Pro. Yeah, the previous one was only 160 lines of JavaScript. This one is 563 lines. So this sounds more like it. API, the face API, the link for face-api.js is wrong, obviously. Error loading models, please check console. Yeah, so that WebGL, we're meant to be using the graphic accelerator, whatever, on this machine, unless it's actually being taken over by something else. Sometimes we'll see. So platform browser has already been set, CPU backend, blah blah blah, WebGL, yep, but there's a problem with the Web Express models. Tiny face detector model is not there. So obviously the link, obviously Google Gemini hallucinated the link. Well, that's mainly because it doesn't have grounding with Google search, whatever. So let's ground it with Google search and find the correct link.